Hi there! Want to know how to connect your Xiaomi Redmi Buds 5 to a PC or laptop? So, as a first step, we would need to open the case with our earbuds and then find the side button, which is located on the right edge of the case. The side button is located right in the middle of this right side. We would need to hold this button until you can see this indicator start blinking white. So let's hold it for a few seconds. And you can see that the indicator is blinking white, and now we can release our finger and we can put our earbuds to the side for a while. As a next step, we would need to open settings on our PC or laptop. In my case, the settings looks like this, and the next thing that we would need to open, this is Bluetooth and device tab. So here, make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled. As you can see, my status is currently turned on. And as a next step, click on this button, add device. Here we would need to choose Bluetooth, and now we just wait until we will be able to find our Redmi Buds 5 in the list. Here they are, so we click on them, and after this we wait until they will be connected. You can see that your device is ready to go, and now you can enjoy your favorite music on your PC or laptop. That was it for today. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.